Welcome. This is your time to slow down, to breathe, and to gently release the weight you've been carrying. Stress builds quietly. It gathers in the shoulders, in the jaw, in the chest, and over time it becomes familiar. But today we allow that tension to soften for the next 20 minutes. Nothing is required of you. No productivity, no solving, no fixing, just presence. Find a comfortable position, sitting upright or lying down. Allow your hands to rest naturally. Let your tongue relax away from the roof of your mouth. Unclench your jaw, and when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and exhale softly. You are here. You are safe. You are allowed to rest. Pause 10 seconds. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice it without changing it. The natural rhythm, the rise, the flow. Now slowly inhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale and long exhale. With each exhale, imagine stress draining from your body like sand slipping through open fingers. Bring awareness to the top of your head. A wave of relaxation begins there, softening your scalp, your forehead smoothing, eyes resting heavy. Release your cheeks. Let your jaw hang comfortably loose. Pause 10 seconds. Relax your neck. Feel your shoulders melting downward. Imagine warm water flowing over them, carrying tension away. Arms growing heavier. Hands warm and relaxed. Breathe in calm. Breathe out pressure. Now your chest softens. Your heartbeat steady and calm. Your stomach loosens. Any tightness dissolves. Hips heavy. Legs relaxed. Feet grounded. Your entire body supported. Pause 20 seconds. Now imagine yourself in a peaceful natural sanctuary. Perhaps it is a quiet shoreline at sunrise. The sky painted with soft gold and pale blue. Or maybe it is a forest clearing, sunlight filtering gently through tall trees. Wherever you are, it feels safe. Notice the air cool, clean, refreshing. Notice the gentle sounds, distant water, soft wind. With each inhale, you draw in pure, calming light. With each exhale, gray mist leaves your body. Watch that mist dissolve into the horizon, gone completely. Pause 20 seconds. In the distance, you see a warm golden light approaching. It moves slowly toward you. This light carries deep peace. It carries reassurance. It carries emotional balance. As it reaches you, it gently pours over your head, down through your mind, soothing racing thoughts, down through your face and neck, releasing stored tension, down into your chest, easing your heart, down into your stomach, untying hidden knots, down through your legs, grounding you deeply into the earth. You are surrounded by calm. Repeat silently, I release what I cannot control. Pause 5 seconds. My body knows how to relax. Pause 5 seconds. I'm safe right now. Pause 5 seconds. Peace flows through me. Pause 5 seconds. I choose calm over chaos. Pause 5 seconds. Let these words settle into your nervous system. Feel yourself becoming steady like a mountain, stable, strong, unshakable, and at the same time flowing like water, flexible, adaptive, at ease. Rest here in silence. Pause 40, 60 seconds. Now gently bring awareness back to your breath. Notice how your body feels. Notice the calm space inside you. This peace is not temporary. It lives within you. Whenever stress arises, you can return to your breath. Return to this inner sanctuary. Take a slightly deeper inhale and a slow, grounding exhale. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders gently. Feel the surface beneath you. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this steadiness with you. You are calm, you are centered, you are capable, and you move forward today with clarity and ease. Pause 10 seconds.